Uncle Chris smells so good. Hey, nieces and nephews. Everybody's been asking, where is Uncle Chris? Well, I've been taking care of my health. That's number one. Also, I was looking around the Uncle Chris kitchen, and it's a little worse for wear. You know, I had roommates, but they're gone now. Let me show you. Look at my poor countertops. They're just terrible. And I was thinking, how can I do videos with my kitchen looking like this? Right now, I'm cooking up a little spaghetti for me and Jay. But look at my floor. I've got missing doors. Oh, my goodness. It's just terrible. It's just terrible. Now, I'm honest with y'all. I am not rich. But what I'm going to do is a mini reno on the Uncle Chris kitchen. I'm going to show you the before and the after. And I'm also going to show you a little bit of how we did it. You know, a little bit of the reno. Not a whole lot because that's boring. Now, tomorrow I want you all to tune in because guess what? It's Food Pantry Day. It's time to stack up at the pantry. Ooh, it's going to be good. Okay. Big love from Uncle Chris. I want you all to write into me. Let me know your questions, what you want to know, what you want to know about the renovation, and what you want to see, okay? Till tomorrow, big love.